What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start Forex trading in 2025. Many people are passionate about Forex trading, but they don't really know how to start or even where to start from. So watch this video till the end and start your Forex journey today. But before that, smash the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and turn on your notification for more videos like this. Firstly, if you want to start Forex trading, the first thing you need to know is that you must be ready to learn. Yeah, learning. You must be ready to learn. So you can learn Forex trading in several ways. You can learn through a mentor, you can learn through YouTube, you can learn through websites and dress. So you can learn Forex trading through a mentor. Who is a mentor? A mentor is a person who undergoes through same journey you are about to start right now. That person will teach you his strategy, guide you, motivate you, and push your trading journey as quick as possible. You and YouTube videos, YouTube channels, yeah, you will be watching videos about how to start Forex trading on your own. Watch until you start getting it right. And then website, you can learn Forex trading through websites like Baby Pips and rest. And so let's say you cannot afford a mentor and you decide to start learning Forex trading from Baby Pips, babypips.com. So what you're gonna do is learn, give yourself time, don't rush. Learn for at least start learning for 2 weeks, 2 weeks straight. Learn until you start getting one or two things. Then download these two applications, MetaTrader 5 and TradingView. TradingView is where you can implement what you learned on the website, and MetaTrader 5 is where you will execute your trade. Open demo account on your MetaTrader 5 and also create a Google account with TradingView. So once you learn at least one or two things, then you start practicing on your TradingView. Give yourself time, at least like 2 weeks again. That's making 1 month of learning again. Once you see that what you learned from the website is doing well, you are doing well with it, then you can start taking trades on your MT5. Remember, it's a demo account. Don't deposit. Start learning from the demo account and be journaling your trades. Give yourself like a month. Be trading and journaling your trades. After 1 month, go through that journal and see, are you doing well? If you are doing well, then you need to advance from demo account to real account. So how can you trade real account? You can trade real account using a broker. What is a broker? A broker is where you can be allowed to deposit, make profits, withdraw your profits at your own convenience. So talking about brokers, my recommended broker is Exness. They have fast deposit, fast withdrawals, and rest. So deposit an amount you can afford to lose. Yeah, don't deposit amount that you cannot afford to lose, or don't collect loan and deposit. Deposit amount you can afford to lose. Replicate same thing you did on the demo account. Replicate same thing on your real account. Trade it for at least 1 month again and be journaling your trades. After that, after 1 month, then go through that journal and see, Are you doing well? If you are doing well, then you can continue. And if you are not doing well, then you must be doing something wrong. Go and check it out, refine your strategies, and come back again. That's how you do it. So if you will do this, I'm sure you and again, remove that get rich quick scheme in your mind. If you start forex trading just because of the lavish lifestyle, whatever, just know that you cannot go anywhere. So you must sharp your mind before starting. So guys, you mo hello guys. Okay guys, once you can do that, then what remains for you is experience, and that will come over time. Keep trying, keep practicing consistently, and don't forget, journal. Don't forget to journal every single trade. So if you can do that, guys, welcome to the Forex industry. Bye for now. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and turn on your notification button for more videos like this. Thank you, guys.